Welcome to 5th grade from all your 5th grade teachers, Miss Finn, Mrs. Baker, Mrs. Seeley, and Miss Sawyer.
This year in reading, we do have a new curriculum from the district. Its title is Making Meaning. We're looking at having a community of readers, and part of that will entail individualized daily reading as well as some read alouds that we will be discussing. We'll focus on comprehension strategies such as questioning, analyzing text, determining importance, inferencing, and summarizing. In writing, we have lots of opportunities for students to write across all the curricular areas, as well as social studies, language arts, and science. Lucy Calkins and Write from the Beginning is the curriculum we'll be using, as well as thinking maps. We do assessments in the 5th grade on 3 main types of writing. That will be personal narratives, informational writing, persuasive, and arguments. We do expect 5th graders to be writing incomplete sentences that are detailed.
5th graders will be experiencing math through the Bridges math curriculum, which is made up of the following components: Number Corner, Problems and Investigations, Problem Strings, Workplaces, Manipulatives, and Home Connections. Number Corner is a daily 20-minute activity which practices essential 5th grade skills and where students are engaged in pattern recognition and data collection and evaluation throughout the month. Problems and Investigations includes difficult problems that are posed to students to be solved over 1 or more days. They work together to solve the problem and then share their strategies. Students then evaluate their strategies for efficiency and accuracy to aid in future problem solving. Problem strings happen almost daily, and they work to build fluency and flexible thinking when solving addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division problems. They work from easier problems to more difficult problems throughout each individual problem string. Students have the daily opportunity to work on workplaces, which are really math games that work on a variety of essential 5th grade math skills. Different workplaces are offered at different times throughout the year. Much of the Bridges math curriculum has students working hands-on with many different manipulatives that help them to have access to different difficult math skills. Home connections may be sent home each day to extend the learning from daily lessons. Much of the Bridges curriculum has students working hands-on with a variety of high-quality manipulatives. Home connections may be sent home at the end of the day to extend learning from the daily lesson.
Science is a lab-based, hands-on learning experience consisting of physical, life, and earth sciences. Throughout the year, the students will learn about measuring dependent variables, how water influences erosion, using a microscope to observe living and non-living things, and how levers and pulleys make work easier. The science labs are highly engaging and allow students to make connections about how science works in the real world. The consumable text is a great resource and is used to build the conceptual learning of the lab activities.
In 5th grade, we have a great social studies curriculum. We use Pearson's book, My World, Building Our Country. We cover many subjects. We start with the pre-European contact, original inhabitants of the Americas. We also cover 1500 to 1800, which is North American history. This includes explorers, colonies, and finally we end with the Revolutionary War. While we teach social studies, we like to integrate language arts skills into our social studies curriculum. We do such thing as note-taking skills where we teach them how to do combo notes, keyword notes. We use thinking maps for many of the places where we have to do note-taking as well. We also like to teach bullet notes. We feel that this gets them ready for their next level of social studies, which would be in the middle schools.
The health curriculum addresses conflict resolution, understanding emotions, dealing with stress, bullying, personal safety, and physical, social, emotional changes during adolescence. For homework, students can expect the following. On a daily basis, we encourage a routine of independent reading. Students will set individual goals with their individual teacher. Students should expect to have some homework for math and reading throughout the week. Homework for science and social studies may occasionally be assigned. Teachers provide work time during the day to complete assignments. Students should use their planners or assignment notebooks to help keep themselves organized.
Homework in fifth grade. There are many things that we do for homework in fifth grade. Some of it is daily, actually, just mainly reading is daily. We have page, chapter, or minute goals that the children are assigned. Occasionally, we also have math, Bridges Home Connections, language arts homework, social studies homework, spelling, science, and possibly any unfinished classwork for that particular day. In fifth grade, there are many activities that the kids get to be involved in because they are the biggest and oldest in the school. So, for instance, we've got TNN, which is our news show, art club, fifth grade play, Lego League, choir, Geography B, Math Masters, Safety Patrol, Bus Patrol, Student Council, and even All District Choir. There are other activities that may become available throughout the year, and you'll be notified when that happens in order to get your child signed up. Thank you so much for looking through our curriculum our curriculum presentation. And we look forward to a successful fifth grade year.